At RPM LoneStar, we specialize in professional property management for single-family homes across Austin, Dallas, and San Antonio, helping investors protect their assets and grow their portfolios with confidence. Hi, I'm Jeff with RPM LoneStar. We help Texas property owners protect their investments and grow their portfolios with confidence, proudly serving the Austin, Dallas, and San Antonio areas. We partner with first-time landlords, busy professionals, and small real estate investors who want expert management, not more stress. We serve as their trusted advisors and help them grow their wealth through real estate, without the day-to-day management stress. At RPM LoneStar, we go beyond basic property management. We handle every detail: leasing, maintenance, compliance, communication, reporting, and asset management, while protecting your investment with advanced risk mitigation systems most firms simply don't offer. Our job isn't just to manage your property, it's to safeguard and grow your portfolio. Our proven systems are built to reduce vacancy, minimize risk, and ensure consistent income. We manage every home like a business, so your investment performs like one. With RPM LoneStar, your portfolio stays protected, profitable, and positioned for long-term growth. With personalized attention and a deep understanding of your assets, we help protect what you've built and unlock the potential of your portfolio. Let RPM LoneStar take the hassle off your plate. Schedule your free consultation today and see how professional property management can protect your investment, grow your portfolio, and give you true peace of mind.